All right, so I am at Disney World, one of 4 parks today. Gonna give you a tour. We're in Animal Kingdom and going to part of my heritage, Africa.
We can find 2 different species, one on the left and one on the right. The one on the left-hand side is a saddle black rhino. Now, they are critically endangered. Fewer than 5,000 remain on our planet today, as they are heavily poached for their horns. Poachers seem to believe that since their horns can regenerate themselves, the only medicinal are typically found in the water, where hippos can hold their breath for up to 8 minutes at a time. Because of this, they've adapted with an amazing reflex.
Crocodile, my bad.
On average, 500 pounds. Up to half of their body, referred to as the tree of life. Now, inside of that tree, it can hold up to 100,000 liters of water, as opposed to their surroundings. So expect to find a lot of herd species around. These are going to be animals known for living amongst some pretty large groups. Looks like we're coming across one here on the right-hand side. This is an Ankole cattle, otherwise referred to as the Watusi cattle. They have horns that can grow up to 4 feet long and span the radius of 4 to 6 feet from tip to tip. Inside of those horns, they hold a honeycomb-like structure, which they'll use to pump their blood through. And as the wind comes into contact with their horns, it'll cool their blood temperature by 10 degrees. Horns that can grow up to 5 foot long. As you can see, their horns are curved back, and that's largely for their protection. As out here on the savannah, most predatory species, like lions, look to jump on their prey's backs in order to take them down. And those curved back horns will protect these animals from that ever happening. Both of them are only 4 months old. And they remain right by their mama's side for the first full year of life, as it can take anywhere up to 3 years. Right hand side, one's over in the middle, one a little closer to the truck here. From outer space.
Brenda, can you send me that picture of the giraffe?
Now, on both sides of the truck, we can find beside giraffes.
Can you send me that?
They too live amongst a group. It's known as a tower of giraffe, and rightfully so, as they grow up to 20 foot tall, making them the tallest species on Earth. And for reference, 1 ton is about 2,000 pounds. Joining the elephants here on the left are the mandrills. They're the largest monkey species, able to grow up to about 100 pounds. Male mandrills will have very bright cheeks that are bright blue and red on each side, which they can use to store 2 full stomach worths of food. As we start to pass this group of elephants, we're going to be coming across another group. This flamingo species, also the lightest shade of pink. If you take a quick look towards the top of their heads, you'll find that only a few of them are truly pink, while others still have a bit of a grayish coloration. That helps us identify which ones are adults and which ones are babies. As when greater flamingos are hatched, they are hatched the grayish coloration. They can grow up to about 9,000 pounds and are the most social rhinos with us humans, but unfortunately, we are letting them down per hour, all in the span of just 30 seconds. That is largely due to their body frames. The cheetahs are very slim, very long-bodied. For the majority of their day, you'll typically just find them resting in the shade, which helps them preserve. Sleeping towards the edge of the copy here. The lions are nocturnal animals, so they'll sleep for about 16 hours every single day. Of all males that have been kicked out of their previous pride. Twice a day, once sunup, once at sundown, they're going to go out and do a very powerful roar. That roar can span the radius of about 5 miles, and it helps them establish their dominance alongside their territory.